going? You smell that?
What you
I don't
doing?
think she'll share. No, I don't.
So does that show an appetite or not?
She's
Or,
hungry.
oh, really?
Yeah. One in there getting a little bite, she almost took my hand off.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
All right, Cole.
I'm so sorry.
Well, come here, Cole. I want to say hi, man. Hi. Come here, up, Cole, up to me. Up. How you doing, guy? I gotta go, okay? You say hi to mommy. You say hi to mommy and Brand. What you think? You see that tail wagging, y'all? See the tail wagging? Big Coley. Hi, man. You're precious. You're precious. You're a good boy. I gotta go, okay? All right. Okay, go inside here. Be obedient. Go.
Oh, I'm a good boy.
Be cold.
I know. Come on.